welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, yes, we're doing another makeup revolution haul. Now, can I just say, yes, I am a little bit obsessed with it. I absolutely love their products, and when they send me an email to tell me that they've got new products coming out, guys, I'm not really sorry, but I just can't help it and resist not going on and shopping. I have an addiction when it comes to Makeup Revolution. But anyway, if you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. We are on the journey to 500 subscribers, and if you haven't already noticed, I am uploading a video every single day in August, so I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. Let me know what is your favorite video, and I hope you tune into tomorrow's video. So let's get into this another Makeup Revolution haul. Okay, so what do we have? They have just released their Super Dewy collection, and so I've gone for the Super Dewy Skin Tint in the shade medium, and this is a tinted moisturizer, cream hydration. I absolutely love anything like CC cream, so for me this was a no-brainer and I had to get my hands on it, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out. Let me know if you want me to do a video just on testing out all of the Super Dewy products. Well, if you don't, I'm gonna do it anyway because that's just me. I love testing out new products and I'm just super excited to share them with you guys. So next up we have the Super Dewy Skin Makeup Serum, and it's a makeup priming serum with a dewy finish. So it's just a primer. It's going to give you a nice dewy look, which what we absolutely love on this channel, guys. So that's what they look like right there. They look absolutely stunning. Next up we have a hydrating serum. So it's got hyaluronic acid to help boost glucosamine to help boost skin's own hyaluronic acid, and it's better skincare, better makeup. So you put this, apply to face morning and night for best results. So it's like a oh wow, I like the packaging. Let's have a look what we've got in here. So it's little serum, pop on every morning and night, obviously before or after your moisturizer, or maybe just before your moisturizer. Then we have a hydrating spritz, and this is all the Super Dewy range because obviously I'm a sucker when it comes to new things. This is a super balm, multi-purpose balm, and it can be used on face, body, lips to nourish the skin. So that's what that looks like, and this is in the Super Dewy range. Then we have the hydrating toner with smoothing stevia extract and cranberry seed oil, and this, oh my god, use after cleansing. So it's like a toner. Well, it's a toner. So it's a toner, which is good. So I love the fact that they mix their skincare with their makeup, and then they come out with these amazing products so that you can just have so much goodness going onto your skin. Then we have a blurring balm, which is this, and it's a blurring balm, can be used as a mattifying base before makeup application or as a toucher on top of makeup to blur pores and reduce shine. So this is quite handy to have in your handbag, so like if you feel like you've been wearing makeup all day and you can see some shine coming through, just apply it on top and then it'll blur it all out and get rid of the shine. That's what it says it does anyway. Then we have the Goddess Glow Fixing Spray with niacinamide and cucumber extract. So that's that, and that's going to give you a nice dewy finish, which is what I absolutely love. Then we have a overnight mask. Absolutely love this packaging. I'll get it open. Okay, so what do we have? Look at that, just how cute is that? So this is a lip scrub that you leave on overnight. Smells nice. It smells like it's got a bit of pineapple in that. Has it got pineapple in it? So this is going to use as a daily nourishing lip balm or use overnight as a hydrating lip mask. And then we've got this one, which is a Sugar Kiss lip scrub, and this is Watermelon Heaven. Oh my god, that's right. Has it got pineapple in it? It's called Pineapple Crush. Oh god, it's been a long day. But anyway, at least I got my smells right. Okay, so here is the watermelon lip scrub. Got like sugar scrub that. Oh, smells amazing. Oh my god. Please tell me that was my husband that just walked past there. I think it was. I think he's just come home. Just saw a man going to the toilet. Anyway, back to this. So yeah, that is the lip scrubs, which I can't wait to give them a try. Then last week you would have seen that I purchased the vitamin C body scrub and the body lotion cream. So I thought I'd give the body a cleanse. This is a cleanser, and this is a moisturizer lotion with a shimmer. Oh, it's got grapefruit in it. Oh, okay. Hopefully it's not so strong. Oh, here you can smell grapefruit. I'm not a fan of grapefruit smell. Okay. You just want the body to glow. And then this is the body cleanser. So that's that. Can't wait to give this a try tonight. Because the scrub you have to use 2 to 3 times a week. So this would be really good to use in between. Oh, I just love the smell of it. So it leaves skin feeling refreshed, which is what I need. I need something for my legs. I've been training. I train twice a day now. And my legs are really aching. So I could do with some help on what I could use on my legs because they ache so much. So guys, that is what I got today in my Revolution haul number 3. Yes, I am obsessed with Makeup Revolution. I know, it's crazy. But anyway, if I don't get these products and show you guys, then how would you know that they're around if I know? But anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.